Our typical mold inspection is not like others. Rarely, if ever, do we simply walk in, set up testing equipment, extract a sample, and leave. No, we begin with inspecting the home for all potential sources of moisture that may include poor or improper roof flashing, maybe some incorrect grading and drainage, poorly sealed maintained exterior envelopes, installation of interior side vapor barriers. We've seen that before. Leaking AC systems or plumbing fixtures. There's a long list of stuff that we look for. So therefore, the inspection phase might take anywhere from half an hour to 2 hours. We then utilize our FLIR, high-resolution infrared thermal imaging cameras, to investigate interior manifestations that are not necessarily visible with the naked eye. We often find related and even unrelated issues with the infrared cameras. All of our inspectors are certified thermographers as well. Our GE Survey Master Protimeter moisture meters confirm moisture content at anomalies identified with the infrared camera. Once we've collected all the visual and analytical data, we then decide with our client where, what type, and how many samples will be taken in order to accommodate different goals and budgets. The samples are then sent to Priority Lab, and results are typically available in 24 to 48 hours. Now, there's two basic ways to test for mold. One is a swab or a lift sample. It's basically a big Q-tip or a sticky media that is swiped through or touched on growth or areas of concern, and then those are sent to the lab. Now, these samples will tell you only what growth is present, not how much or if you're even breathing it, okay? The other way is with an air sample. Our inspectors use a vacuum pump to extract a sample of air, and then we send that to the lab. With that air sample, that will tell you what you're breathing and a representation of how much. Now, the more samples you take, the better representation you get, but it does cost a little bit more money.